Today we're installing our Keyway Lock Carbide studs. See the lock here opens up and it locks in place. So what we do is we take our drill bit that we get. It's got a washer on it, so you only go to a certain depth and you drill out your hole. You want to ream it out pretty good. Clean it up a bit. Take it and put a little never seize in there, just so it'll go in good. You got to be fairly aggressive with this stud to hold it in place, and you hit her with a good whack to install it. This way you give her a good pound in, nice and solid. Then you take your vice grips, put them in there, and then you rotate it. There's one turn, two turns, three turns. You can feel it getting tight. See how it's kicking back a bit? There, it's locked in place there. Now it's kicking back. That's your Keyway Carbide lock stud. It's in place. Excellent product. Works great for solid rubber tires, air-filled tires. You can use it on tractors, zoom booms, graders, rock trucks, loaders, mine trucks, you name it. Awesome product.